A big win today for former President and GOP presidential candidate Donald Trump. The U.S. Supreme Court ruled that presidents are entitled to some immunity from prosecution for official acts committed while in office. The landmark decision delivers a critical blow to the Justice Department's ongoing election interference case and several others against Trump. Capitol Hill correspondent Erik Rosales joins us now from outside the court. Erik?
Good evening, Tracy. The 6-3 decision comes 4 months before Election Day. Yes, the justices did decide that former presidents are immune for official acts. However, the justices did not decide if former President Donald Trump is immune from prosecution for alleged acts that he committed during the 2020 election. For that decision, the justices are sending it back to a lower court. Donald Trump praised the ruling, quote, "Big win for our Constitution and democracy. Proud to be an American." Chief Justice John Roberts, writing for the majority, stated in part, quote, "We conclude that under our constitutional structure of separated powers, the nature of presidential power requires that a former president have some immunity from criminal prosecution for official acts during his tenure in office." In her dissent, Justice Sonia Sotomayor wrote, quote, "Today's decision to grant former presidents criminal immunity reshapes the institution of the presidency." Many gathered outside the U.S. Supreme Court when the decision came down, and some say it could open Pandora's box.
So if he were to win again, he could do anything he wants to his opponents. He could put them in jail, he could have them executed. This opens the door to a dictatorship.
Others want Congress to add more justices to the high court.
Absolutely. I think they have to dilute the poison that's there, and the only way to do it, these are young people he put on. We absolutely have to get the votes to be able to pack the court.
President Joe Biden issued a statement reading in part, quote, "Today's ruling doesn't change the facts, so let's be very clear about what happened on January 6th. Donald Trump snapped after he lost the 2020 election and encouraged a mob to overthrow the results of a free and fair election." Senate Democratic leader Chuck Schumer calls the decision disgraceful by the MAGA SCOTUS and claims it weakens our democracy, while House Speaker Mike Johnson is calling the decision a victory for former President Donald Trump and all future presidents. Bottom line, now federal prosecutor Jack Smith will have to re-examine his case to see if any charges will be brought against former President Donald Trump for his alleged acts on January 6th. Outside the U.S. Supreme Court, Erik Rosales, EWTN News Nightly.